Let me tell you about my experience with trying to implement decoupled Drupal. Drupal was my first love when it came to building digital experiences, but let's acknowledge the challenges. The team was getting very, very frustrated because the Drupal theme engine just can't compete with modern front ends. Every time I tried to implement a decoupled solution, it just became too complex to manage effectively over time. I was so tired of how difficult it was to launch decoupled Drupal. There had to be a better way, and I found it. Show of hands who here is tired of worrying about Drupal infrastructure and managing updates? This is Drupal. It's time we start treating it like the first-class citizen it truly is in the digital ecosystem. And what's been missing is a platform that actually allows us to build for that cloud-native future. The landscape of web development requires a way to harness the power of front ends like Next.js with Drupal. But it has to be cloud-native and API first to truly work as a headless solution. The challenge with headless Drupal is that you're trying to make two very different technology stacks play nicely together. If you can't make Drupal cloud-native, it will never reach its potential as a headless backend. Marketers want an easy way to manage their content for all their channels. Developers want modern APIs. This is what Drupal Cloud delivers. There's no reason why we can't have the simplicity of Contentful powered by the Drupal backend. And in many ways, the Drupal community has been building for this moment where Drupal can be unleashed. Drupal Cloud is a fully managed solution. But the difference is there's no vendor lock-in. It's your code, your data. Drupal Cloud is really built for this idea of the composable web, and Next.js is the perfect partner for that. Cloud-native Drupal will open up the platform to a whole new legion of developers that are not going to ever do custom Drupal development. Thank you for coming. Let's make Drupal once again the leading CMS solution in the world by unleashing it as API first.